Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple crochet bandana. Actually, this is a mini shawl. You can use this as bandana or belt. This is so popular in this time of the year. I hope you like it. I use these seashell beads here. You can see. You can use here which you want. It's your choice. I have them and I want to show you. I bought it like in this package, nearly 50 I have. Here I insert the yarn in it, not hook can insert in that, but you can take your yarn, grab your yarn from these beads. I will show you how you can put it. Also, you can use which type of beads you want. This is a mesh crochet. You can adapt it easily every project and every shawl type. It's so simple. I use in this pattern Lanoso Breeze. One ball is 50 grams and is equal to 150 meters, 70% of cotton, 30% of viscose. And they recommend us using 4.5 millimeter hook, but I use 3.5 millimeter hook. Also, you can choose your hook proper to your yarn. My video comes so speedy, please click top of the right of the screen and slow me down. Also, you can change the subtitles or my voice from here again. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, it's totally free. And I'm so excited about so close to 100,000 subscriber. Please help me. I want to see this number on my page. Okay, thanks a lot. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple crochet mesh bandana. Let's start crochet. You can start with slip knot and chain 4 and turn back to the first stitch like that. Make a slip knot, then sorry, 1 2 3 and 4 chains and turn back to the first one. Grab your yarn and make here a little hole, but I prefer to start magic ring. It's so simple. You will make a circle like that, then grab your yarn and hold these yarns like that, don't lift them. 1 2 and 3 chains count as your first double crochet. Then yarn over, insert that hole, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. You will not make it so tight, okay, you will make them loosey. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Then chain 2, hold them, don't give up. Insert that hole, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Add here 2 more double crochet. We have here 3 double, chain 2, 3 double, again chain 2, and make 3 double more. 1 2 and 3. Then pull that yarn tightly and close this hole and grab both yarns, make here chain 1 and turn your work so you locked this circle. Then I will make here, this is chain 1, 2 and 3 chains, yarn over and come to this chain 2 space, make here 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double in the same space. Then chain 3, yarn over and come to next space, make here 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3 and turn your work. Actually, that's the pattern you can see here. These shell stitches always keep the same. Okay, in this chain 2 space you will make 3 double crochet. I make my double crochets a little loosey. 2 chains and 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 3. Actually you can make here 4. Insert that chain 3 space, join with a single crochet, chain 3 and come to next chain 2 space, make your 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3 and turn your work. Again do the same thing, 3 double, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 chains, insert into the first space, join with a single crochet. Then 1, 2, 3 chains and come to next space, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains and come to chain 2 space, do the same thing again. 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3 and turn your work. I will show you one more time and that's enough, I think. Come to chain 2 space, 1, 2 and 3 chains, double crochet, chain 2 and make 3 double crochet more. 1, 2, 3. This is always same. Then chain 3 and come to first space, join with a single crochet, chain 3, come to next space, join with a single crochet, chain 3, come to next space, join with a single crochet, chain 3 and come to border, 3 double, chain 2, and 3 double, 1, 2, 3. You will keep repeat which size you want. I want to give its width centimeter. Yes, near 50 centimeter. Now I want to show you how you can put this border and these tails. I want to show you. Okay. When you make it bigger and bigger and come to your width, 50 centimeter or which size you want. Also you want to make a shawl. I don't know. When you come to end, I want to start first border. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chains. Then lose my loop and take my seashell bead and take this yarn from here, then locked it with a chain, then 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains more and come to we have here turning chain trees, you know. Insert here and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4, lose my loop, then get this bead here, insert, then locked it with chain, then add here 4 more, 1, 2, 3 and 4, come to next, this turning chain 3, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4, lose it again, insert, locked it with chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4, come to this starting point here, this hole, we locked it so strong here, join with single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, if you want to make more longer and loosely, you can not have to make 4 chains, you can make 5, 6, 7, which you want. It's about your yarn thickness. You can make your decision about how long you want to see your beads. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, come to next, look at this here, turning chain 3 I use, insert here, 1, 2, 3, 4, put here one more, if my hook can insert in this bead, it will be more easy. 2, 3 and 4, come to here, and this is my last turning chain 3, you can see that. Now you will make the tail, but first I will make here 1, 2 and 3 slip stitch. Then I made here 75 chains. You can change it which length you want, and I want to give its measurements again. Sorry, 55, not 75. Sorry, my 55 is equal to nearly 25 centimeter. Okay, I will show you about 10. You can make it which length you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And lose my loop. Make your last chain. I put 1 at the end. You will add here 1 more bead. Then locked it with here again, chain, then turn your chains and see these back bumps. Okay, use them here. Also you can make here slip stitches, or you can make like me single crochet. 1, 2, 3. If you use these back bumps, it's so looking so clear. Here. My back bumps. Of course, it will be long. Now I come here. It's so simple. I insert here and make single crochet. I will make a single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2 here, insert into the stitch, joining stitch, 1, 1 and 2, 1 in the stitch, 1 and 2, 1 in the stitch, 1 and 2, 1, 2, and I come here 3. Now you will add the second tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again put your beads here, lose it. Oops. Insert my yarn like that. Join and using again back bumps. Okay, the first one a little tough. I want to show you when you come to the end how you can finish. This is the last, and you come to your starting point, insert into stitch and join with a slip stitch and cut your yarn. That's it. You can do that in hours, and you can make in day maybe 2 or 3. It's so fast crocheting and so simple. I hope you like it and you will try. Please share with me on Instagram. It's the same name, Crochet with Gigi. You can find me on Etsy too. See you next videos. Hope we will share a beautiful project in this summer. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.